What's going on, guys? Today I got another quick tutorial for you on how to fix disappearing gaming bar on your Windows PC. So I started facing this issue the time I activate the compact mode in the gaming bar. So this is one of the bugs Microsoft needs to fix, especially in Windows 11. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the trick that I used to fix this error on my Windows computer. So not to waste time, let's jump into the tutorial. To fix this error, the first thing that I do is I right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. From the Task Manager list, I select Game Bar and click on End Task to stop its activities running on my computer. So once you have done that, we are going to use a shortcut key on our keyboard. So on your keyboard, you are going to hold the Windows key plus Alt and then press the print screen key, and this will take a snapshot of your screen. Remember, if you're using a laptop, make sure you disable your FN key before you press these keys. So after you press this key, there will be a notification that will pop up at the right side of your screen. So quickly move your mouse pointer and click on this gear icon, and this will open the gaming bar settings. So from here, you are going to toggle off the compact mode to switch back to its normal mode. And this is how I used to fix this error on my Windows computer. And I hope this tutorial helped you. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for future updates, and comment as well. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you on the next tutorial soon.